Hello viewers, I'm Advocate Kier Rawat from Lexis and Company. Today we're going to talk about Section 41A of CRPC. So, I would like to tell you about Section 41A of CRPC. The police officer shall, in all cases where the arrest of a person is not required under the provisions of subsection 1 of Section 41 CRPC, issues a notice directing the person against whom a reasonable complaint has been made or credible information has been received, or a reasonable suspicion exists that he has committed a cognizable offence to appear before him or at such other place or may be specified in the notice. Where such a notice is issued to any person, it shall be the duty of that person to comply with the terms of the notice. Where such person complies and continues to comply with the notice, he shall not be arrested in respect of the offence referred to in the notice unless, for reasons to be recorded, the police officer is of the opinion that they ought to be arrested. Where such person at any time fails to comply with the terms of the notice or is unwillingly or identify himself, the police officer may, subject to such orders as may have been passed by the competent court in his behalf, arrest him for the offence mentioned in the notice. A person's liberty is of prime importance and the same cannot be curtailed without the due process of law. However, situations may arise that necessitate curbing of such individual rights for protecting interest of the larger public. A person may be arrested for acting contrary to laws depending upon whether the offence committed by him or is a cognizable or non-cognizable offence. In a cognizable case, a police officer can directly arrest an individual who is without the affirmation of the court, that is, no warrant is required from the court to arrest such person. However, in a non-cognizable case, a police officer first needs to obtain a warrant of arrest from the court to arrest an individual accused of committing some offences. I hope you are pretty much clear about the Section 41A of CRPC, which says notice of appearance before police officer. If not so, then do let me know about all your doubts and queries in the comment section given below. I'll clear up all your doubts and queries in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself, guys.